So during my time here in this school, Bali Culinary Pastry School has taught me a lot, not only about the practicality of making bread, making sweet desserts, but also the theory behind it, the technique that you have to learn before you do it in the kitchen. And also the chefs, the instructors are really helpful. They really implement how is it important for a young chef to have a right attitude, to be committed to what they do, and also to have passion about culinary itself.
This 9 months has taught me a lot, not only the skill in the kitchen, but also the life skill. It has taught me disciplines, it has taught me a good time management, it has taught me to compromise, tolerance, and also passions. The pop-up project is a new experience for me, and the one that is very interesting, where I gain new family in my second home in BCTS. Although we have a lot of different opinions, I'm glad that they are able to tolerate each other and at the end work for the same goal.
And aside from the cooking, I also get a lot of opportunity to meet new people, learn how to handle and organize an event, and how to bring every aspect of the event together. And another challenging part is to find guests, because aside from family and friends, we need to think how we can attract people to our event.
Pop-up project was an interesting one. The event, it was so alive, and all the guests and all our friends and families and the instructors, we all came together, we all support each other and make that event a big success, and that was the most rewarding part of the pop-up project.
So after we finish our final project, which is the pop-up restaurant, it feels really amazing. At first, I feel like it's somehow impossible, but turns out it's not really impossible because we all did it. Because from that event, I can learn how to manage a real restaurant, and from that, maybe somehow one day I can open my own business, and it's a really good opportunity for me to learn and to execute like how to run a good restaurant in the future.